Under the clear blue sky, this land tells a story of nature's beauty and resilience. Once harvested, it now rests, preparing for a new season of growth. The bamboo sways gently, a reminder of the harmony between man and nature. Every corner of this field whispers hope, a promise of renewal, life, and endless possibilities. With each breeze that passes, the earth seems to breathe, as if silently awaiting the next chapter. The bamboo, strong yet graceful, stands as a testament to nature's endurance through all seasons. Here, amidst the quiet stillness, we are reminded that life is a cycle, ever growing, ever changing, and always beautiful.